Hey, good morning everyone. Jeff McDowell, the bald guy, here to bring you a video tour on this 2020 Dodge Challenger Super Stock. This is for one of our exclusive clients out east. A little bit dirty from the weekend, I apologize, but the whole front end is PPF, so in really good shape. You can see little notes of the edges here. Some of the corners on the plastic have a little bit of curb rash from them, but with that PPF on here, really good shape up front. A little bit right there as well. Wheels looking great shape. Of course, that signature logo. Love this white paint with this two-tone red and black interior, contrast stitching. Seats are in pretty good shape. Show a little bit of wear to them, nothing crazy. Back seats. I'm not picking up on any odors from smoking, pets, cologne. Look down the side, showing free of dents and dings. You do have some lower body PPF here as well. Here's your rear passenger. Nice contrast spoiler. Great sounding exhaust. I do have a second video I'll put up to go with this that has the cold start. It's been sitting for a couple days, so you'll see it fired right up, no issues. That's your driver's side. Cool carbon fiber accents on the steering wheel. It is heated and just over 52,000 miles. Got your navigation, climate control, and of course your different drive modes. We do have 3 keys for this. We have 1 black key, 2 red keys to go along with it, which if you're familiar, those red keys are very cool in the way that it's set up. Let's pop the hood. Supercharged HEMI, pretty clean. You got the intake on it, but really good setup. And of course, we'll get this thing freshened up just before delivery to put this beautiful car into your garage. And I'm excited to drive this back over here in just a second.